In this video, we're going to talk about making the strap for the beach bait bag. I'm working the bulky version, so I have 6 strands of bulky weight yarn. If you're working the super bulky version, you're going to have 3 strands. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that all of our pieces of yarn are just about even on the ends. And then we're going to go down about 5 or 6 inches and we're going to tie them in a knot. Just like that. And now you can either find a person to help you or you can find something to hold the strap for you. I'm going to use this mason jar filled with water as a weight. Just set it on top like that. And now for the super bulky, you're just going to divide your straps into 3 different pieces. But for the bulky version, we're going to divide in sets of 2. So we're going to have 3 sets of 2 so that we can work the braid. Braids are done in 3s. And now we're ready to work the braid. The braid needs to be worked kind of loose because when you work braids tighter, they tend to get shorter. So we only have about 20 inches that we can lose off of this. So we're going to loosely braid. For those of you that don't know how to braid, here is a small tutorial on how to do that. So basically, braiding is crossing your left and right strands over the center strand. You want to go back and forth. You do the left one and then you do the right one. So in this case, I'm going to cross my right one over the center. This one's the center one. I'm going to cross my right one over, and now my right one has become the center strand. Now I'm going to cross the left one over the center, and now that left one has become the center strand. And now I'm going to cross the right one again, and now that right one is the center, and then left again, right, left, right, left, just like that. I now have my 82 inches, so I am going to tie a knot in the end of this, just to keep that braid from coming out.